Okay, so, gang, ganito, no? October 28. What kind of music will Mr. John Lesaca be playing? No?
Ano nga ba?
Ano nga ba? Ano bang tugtugin, no? Yan ang tanong, no?
Hindi, marami dyan. Alam mo, mga panahon natin. Soundtrack of our lives. Hindi ninyo, ha? Sa amin, sa amin. We have the Beatles, we have a little Rolling Stones, maybe, some rock and roll, and the stuff that you can also dance to. Bring it down memory lane. Alam niyo naman, the songs of the Beatles are universal. Even my granddaughter knows the song, so I don't know how you cannot know the songs of the Beatles,
And
right?
then, di ba merong Manila Sound?
Oh yes, may Manila Sound.
Ewan ko kung
right.
alam niyo yung Manila Sound, naabutan ko yun, pero
Oo.
unique yun. Ano
Yeah.
nga ho ba yung Manila Sound?
Uy, huwag mo ako huhuin, ikaw naman, oh. Mas matanda pa si Peachy sa akin. Peach!
Okay.
Pinchan. No. Manila Sound. So, syempre, you have the Ako'y nag-iisa. Yan, sila Joey Smith, di ba? Pepper Smith.
Okay.
Or you have the Hot Dog Sound, you have the Bee Gees, and all that stuff. Di ba? Yung VST pala.
VST.
Yan, oh,
wow.
diba?
Yung mga swing.
Oh,
mga
yes.
ganon.
In fact, isa sa mga UP High alumni natin are members of that group. Sila Roger Rigor, the Rigor family.
Really?
Oh, they're all members of a VST also.
Interesting ano,
Trivia on
trivia.
Alam nyo, UP has produced a lot of talent, whether they be in music or in the arts or sciences or whatever. Pati nga Pep Squad, nananalo na tayo ngayon. Siguro sa basketball, malapit na. Oh.
Hindi lang academics, no? So,
Yes, oo.
pati arts talagang performing arts. So, kaya October 28, you shouldn't miss it talaga. We will have some amazing sounds, no? Na,
Ano oras ba tayo magsisimula sa October
Well, it
20?
starts at 6, but of course, yun yung ating hi, hello, at maraming, long lost friends dyan.
I heard may theme yan eh.
Yes.
Ano theme tong...
We will have a
October 20.
costume parade kasi Halloween, malapit sa Halloween. So, if you want to come in a costume, may costume contest.
doon sa batch
So-
namin, sasabihin ko na sa batch namin, sa batch 71, come as you are. Halloween, come as you are.
Okay? So, a lot of interesting things happening. You shouldn't miss it. You really should
Oh, that
not.
sounds fun really. I mean, if you go in your Halloween
Pampabata
costumes.
by another 30
Oh, yeah.
years, pampabata. I can guarantee you. Okay?
We like that, we like that.
What you call this, Mr. John? We are all going to Multipurpose Hall, October 28, Friday, malapit na.
Yes.
And talagang excited na kami. Kahit
Ikaw
yung
kakanta
mga...
ka, ha?
Kahit yung mga taga-abroad.
Kumanta ka.
O sige, Frank Sinatra ha.
Oo, akong bahala sa'yo.
Rat Pack.
Oh,
Sige.
the Brat Pack.
Sige.